Good night, guys.
Good
Good
night,
night,
Helmi.
Hel.
I want to ask your opinion, guys.
What's going on with you, Hel? Why are you suddenly asking for Zoom?
Yes, what's wrong, Hel?
So, I'm getting fever, and there will be a final test tomorrow. Should I rest at home or do the final test?
Well, I think it's time for you to rest, don't you?
Do you really think so?
I know so. You can take the final exam at the next schedule.
I want to do some exercise to keep my body fit and in shape on the weekend, but I don't know what and how to do.
I think you should go to the gym and hire an instructor.
I reckon you can also jogging and biking every weekend. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea, but I need more exercise to shape the body.
If I were you, I will also go to gym. Besides that, I will eat healthy food.
That's a good point. I hold the same opinion with Helmi.
Okay, thank you for your advice, guys.
By the way, guys, I want to ask you guys something.
What was that, Rin?
So, I want to study abroad. Unfortunately, my TOEFL score didn't meet the requirement and standard. What would you do if you were me?
If I were you, I would study harder and take the TOEFL test once again.
Do you really think so?
Of course, Rin. I agree with Helmi. Don't give up with your dreams. I trust you. Go for it.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. I will study hard and keep the spirit.
Guys, I want to ask for advice from you.
Yes, go ahead.
I'm fed up of having unproportional weight, but I can't stop consuming junk food while relaxing. What should I do?
I think you should change your mindset. I mean, you can do some exercise when you want to relax.
Okay, fine then. What do you think, Rin?
I agree with Mayana. And you can also cook a healthy food as delicious as junk food, I think.
Okay. Thank you, guys. I will try and do my best.
You can do this, Hel. Keep your spirit up.
Yes, fighting Helmi.
Measures common digest decreasing expert substance foreign carbohydrates soluble referred scientific